Hey, howdy folks! We are back on this beautiful beach for another walk. Today is a beautiful day, the weather is really fine, so I'm gonna show you how to cool here. Please enjoy with me and enjoy this beautiful walk around this beautiful city, this incredible morning. We are continuing our journey, guys. I'm heading over there. You can see a lot of high buildings. There are area for hotels. It's first area. It's a little bit expensive for standing over there, but it's really beautiful place. You can see incredible views from this line for this hotel. It's almost 5-star over here. It's a little bit expensive, but you know, it's expensive for Vietnam, but for another country, I think it's cheap price. You can rent here some apartments, some room. I think it's around maybe start $20 until 100, maybe more, but you can find here in comfortable room for $20-25, I think. Right now it's extremely high season. It's not rained. Every day sunny, good weather. Yeah, it's really comfortable time to visit Vietnam and Nha Trang City as well. I think it's similar the weather like in Da Nang City, but for me, from my point of view, here it's a little bit comfortable the weather, because here it's not so hot. Sometimes you can get some wind, but not a lot of time. And honestly, here a little bit better vibe for me. Yeah, I love being here because it's my favorite city in Vietnam in Vietnam. From my point of view, Nha Trang City is the most popular place for traveling, for beach holidays, for vacation. A lot of locals come here for vacation. Right now it's summertime, therefore you can see over here a lot of locals who spending their time for holiday over here, for vacation as well. It's time for vacation in Vietnam. But anyway, it's comfortable. It's not so many people over here, because Vietnamese don't like to get in tan and spend their time in the beach during the day. You can meet a lot of Vietnamese if you come here early morning and early evening, or evening as well. But during the day, it's pretty calm here. Empty. Nobody is here. It's comfortable for walking around. So anyway, it's very good. If you contemplate about visit Vietnam, my total recommendation: visit Nha Trang City. It's beautiful city. People are cheerful, hospitality here, really comfortable. It's not so expensive to visit this place. So guys, anyway, we are continuing our journey. The beach is around 5-6 kilometers long. It's good for walking. every morning and every evening as well. View is incredible. It's a beautiful sunshine because a lot of beautiful trees over there. It's palm trees. You can get some coconut over here. It's not so expensive. I think here you can get it that for 30 Vietnamese dong, but normal price it's around 15 Vietnamese dong. If you go to inside the city, you can find for 15, I think. People are chilling over here. You can make a lot of some bathing during this beach. It's around 100 Vietnamese dong for a day. Yeah, absolutely incredible. Yeah, I was here. Here it's a little bit more comfortable because on the beach a little bit hot for me. I'm heading ahead, just walking around or just looking around what people are doing. In general, it's very good. So actually, I love being here because so guys, the place is really amazing for me. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna continue on showing you this beautiful city and this beautiful beach. It's karaoke time maybe, but locals like doing it every time and everywhere. We really like do karaoke, sing some song. Hope you like it and you're enjoying this video. If you like it, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and maybe you can leave some comments under this video. I'll be really appreciated for it because I need your support, guys. It's a little bit green area here. Look at this. Incredible, mind-blowing. Love this dude. Locals are doing some activities over here. I think it's team building. It's common activities over here. I can see it every day. But why not? Vietnamese is really cheerful. We're like doing it. We really like doing it. Oh, okay, it's a little bit loud here. So that's very good. I love you now, and Vietnamese as well. So we're continuing our journey around. I made it to some beautiful garden over here. You can see some bird. I'm gonna show you beautiful flowers, guys. Absolutely incredible, guys. So it's my favorite flowers. I love it. Oh, it smells so good, so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. But finally, I don't remember how's it called. If you know, please let me know under my video. So, what can I tell you about this place? One more. It's really comfortable time to come here. I think it's maybe start May until November, because after November there were all this change. It's season rain come here, strong wind. It's not comfortable being here, guys. But another time it's really good. Right now it's June and it's extremely high season. Every day you can see a lot of sunny. You can get calm ocean, warm water. There is not wind, because you know wind is sometimes it's problem, because it's really strong. Nishank City is a really comfortable place for long stay, because you can find some apartments. It's gonna be not so expensive. I think it starts around $300 near the beach. Maybe 5 or 10 walk from here. It's good. Overall, included this price, you can get gym, swimming pool. I think it's great. It's great price for living here. If you in our city, where you can get beautiful beach, beautiful city, a great price for a long stay, please let me know. Finally, I'm traveling a lot, but I can't find in our city for long stay like Nishank City. Some shop over here. You can buy some drinks, beer or soft drink as well. It's swimming pool here, swimming area. It's like beach club maybe. But finally, from my point of view, I don't know why are you been here if you get this beautiful area, because ocean much better than swimming pool. But guys, it's from my point of view. It's just my opinion. Sorry. Okay, I'm continuing my walk. After this walk, I'm gonna a little bit swim because it's a little bit hot. Then I'm gonna have breakfast and spend my time and spend this day, this incredible day. I'm sure it's gonna be a great day, and I wish you the same. Thank you so much for your watching this video. Please follow me, subscribe my channel, like my video. I really appreciate it I really appreciate everyone for being with me. So guys, have a good one. See you in a while. Bye.